Before we even get into this, let me give you a quick warning. This might not work on a specific laptop. I'm using an ASUS and for me this literally saved my life, but I can't promise it will fix every single brand out there. If it works for you, then it's good. If it does not, you might have to look around a bit more, ask around in forums or just bite the bullet and reinstall Windows from scratch. So let me actually tell you the whole story of how I ended up in this absolute mess. I was sitting right here at my desk casually planning to make a new video about Phoenix OS for the channel. I wanted to see how it performs nowadays. So I went to the official site, downloaded the installer and used it to set up a clean dual boot right alongside my main Windows. Everything went fine with the bar loading up, so it told me to restart the laptop. I hit restart, the laptop looked back up and the initial boot menu came up. I saw the two choices clear as day, Windows and Phoenix OS. So naturally I clicked on Windows first just to make sure my main system was still working. And then total black screen. This terrifying error popped up out of nowhere, saying /EndEntire file path, followed by a bunch of random hardware code like ACPI and a single blinking white cursor at the bottom. No Windows logo, no loading animation, nothing, just dead silence from the laptop. I completely panicked. My heart literally dropped because when you see raw hardware paths like ACPI and PCI on a blank screen, your immediate thought is that your entire SSD or hard drive just got wiped, corrupted or bricked by the installer. I immediately grabbed my phone and started frantically googling the error code, trying to find anyone else who ran into this. But honestly, nothing came up. It was a total ghost town for this specific problem, and none of the generic boot repair guides made any sense for this situation. At that point, I just gave up and decided to reinstall Windows from scratch. I grabbed my bootable USB drive, plugged it in, and forced a restart. I started mashing the key to open temporary boot menu so I could boot from the USB, but when the list popped up, I noticed something else right there. Windows Boot Manager. I figured I had nothing to lose, so I just highlighted it and pressed enter. And man, the ASUS logo came up and Windows loaded completely normally. My files, my open tabs, everything was completely fine. The installer hadn't destroyed anything, it just broke the default startup shortcut. If you are staring at that black screen right now, let me show you the loop again. I'm restarting the laptop and if I try to boot into Windows normally through the standard menu, there it is, the same stupid /end entry error screen. So here is how you bypass it. Restart your laptop and the exact second you see the manufacturer logo, start spamming your boot menu key. On my ASUS, it's the escape key, but on your laptop it might be F12, F11 or F8 or something else. Once that hardware menu shows up, ignore everything else. Scroll down to Windows Boot Manager and hit enter. You bypass the broken shortcut completely and you are right back to your desktop. Honestly, after that mini heart attack, I wasn't taking any more chances. As soon as I got back into Windows, I immediately uninstalled Phoenix OS to clear out those broken entries for good. Let's do one final restart to check, and yeah, it completely skips the error and boots straight into Windows normally. If you were panicking over that black screen today and this quick bypass saved your laptop, drop a like and hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what laptop model you have and if this shortcut worked for you. See ya.